Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain how to hide your activity status on Messenger. You want to be able to log in and out of Messenger while all your activity is hidden. Follow along with this video to the end, without any additional programs, of course. Before we begin the explanation, as usual, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video. Let's get started. The first step, my friend, is to open the Messenger app on your phone. At the bottom, you will find the menu. Tap on it. Then, you will find Settings. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and look for Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Here, my friend, you will find Activity Status. Tap on Allow people to know you are online. Now, if you want other people on Messenger to know you are online, activate it. If you want to hide your activity status on Messenger, deactivate it. Then, when or for what period do you want to hide your activity status on Messenger? I will change it for 1 hour only, or for 8 hours, according to your preference. Finally, tap Pause. Therefore, you have successfully hidden your activity status on Messenger.